Hi guys, one of the most basic thing you need for the CAT preparation is the basic level. The basic need is the basic level. You would start from the very basic, from the fundamental level. And every year I see during this time, the student even some students don't even know squares and cubes of the 1/3 power, 1/3 power half. So indices, a lot of problems are there which are very fundamental, which we as a coaching institute, all of us assume that student know all these things. जबकि ऐसा होता नहीं है, काफ़ी चीज़ें we student अपने सामने किया है, but we don't remember. Yeah. So what we are launching now is, this is what we doing at CET. We launch a primer book. So primer book you can see here on my side. So primer book is basically going back to school days level. This is class 8, 9, 10th ka books. Now syllabus. Now you can do it yourself as well. I can go back to class 8, 9, 10th, open up their books and solve those questions. But if the topic is not coming in our syllabus, is not important, then why to waste my time on that? So what we have done, this primer book is included in our program. So in case you want to join our CAT 21 ka program, this primer book will be the first thing we are doing off. So the first 3 months from October, November, December, I want to spend on this primer book, doing nothing else. हम कुछ नहीं करने वाले. We'll complete the primer book. The primer book is nothing but maths, verbal, logic, everything. Yeah, I can just get a side so you can see that. So you can see the syllabus here. This is the complete syllabus we are going to cover up in the first 3 months. So for example, DI. I don't want to start with DI. I want to start with how to plot the graph. Yeah, from quant point of view, every chapter on this list we are going to cover, because these are the important ones. So in case you want to join a program, you can join us. Otherwise, wherever you want to study from, do these topics first. These are the fundamental basics of quant, of verbal, of logic, because otherwise it will be a huge problem. So this one is what I'm seeing every year. So this is for the CAT 21 program. For those who are joining us for the CAT 2020 or CET program, I want them also to attend these lectures for free, of course, for our students, so that they can understand, or we can go through all these things. Now some of the topics you find them to be very easy. For example, I'm an engineer. Plotting a graph or a histogram is no big deal for me, because I understand all these things. But there are some people who are not comfortable with all these things. For example, 36 to the power half is 6. Now some of the students don't know this thing, तो उनको problem आएगा ही आएगा. Same way, 1 by x, x by 2 plus 1 by 3 is equal to x by 6. Now these calculations I have to use LCM, I have to do cross multiply, so people have problems. So all these problems we are going to sort out in the next 3 months. Okay. So we'll be starting with the other topic as well, but we will be covering up the fundamentals of all these topics. Fine. For example, time and work, if I talk about, before you go to time and work, you need to know the equations. Before we do equations, I need to know the basic variables like x, y, z. Before we go, for that, I need to do how to calculation, how to solve simultaneous two equations. So all those things I wanted to cover them first. So this is a list of topics which is more of fundamental, which you can pick up either 10, 12 ka book. If you have a brother or sister in class, school days, in class 10th, 11th, you can tell them to teach you all these things. Or in case you are joining us for the CAT program, the first 3 months is this foundation. I wanted to complete this foundation part first. Alright, so this is your syllabus. This is your bare minimum requirement for CAT 21. Okay, we will be going for that. Alright, all the best. So you can contact us in the description box. I given the numbers where you can call our team and you can join our program. The link is given in the description box. Those who have already joined us for the CAT program, will be sending you books by courier. You will get the books by courier within the next 1 week. Those who are joining us, you will be getting the books as and when you join. Alright. So this program we are launching from next Saturday, next Sunday, coming Sunday we are going to launch the program. All the best.